Let's create one more tutorial in FreeCAD. In this video, you'll learn to use the Additive Pipe, PadThe, Fillet, and chamfer. So open the FreeCAD and let's go. The first step to create this pipe with Flange, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create the center line of this pipe. So this line here, 150 millimeters of length. We will create an arc here. This arc has 200 millimeters of radius. It is 285 plus 115 over 2. And here we will create another line with 150 millimeters of length. So open the FreeCAD, go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here with 150 millimeters. And go to arc from 3D points, click here on this point, make an arc here. And go to constraint, select tangent, select this arc and this line here. And the dimensions, 200 millimeters of radius. Let me move this dimension a little bit and move this point here. Go to constraints and select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here. And now select line, make a line here with 150 millimeters of length. Make sure that this line is a vertical line. And we made this sketch. Now leave the sketch. We will create the profile of this pipe. So the profile of this pipe, we will make two circles. These two circles here. One circle with 150 millimeters and the other 170 millimeters of diameter. So here, show the origin, select the right plane here and create a new sketch. And here, I will hide the origin, select the circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle here with 150 millimeters of diameter. And create the other circle in the center with 170 millimeters of diameter. And leave the sketch. We made these two sketches. Now select the sketch 1 and go to Additive Pipe. And here, the object. Select the sketch 2 here. And select here Add Edge. And select this line. Click in Add again. Select this arc and select this line here and press OK. We made this pipe here. Now we will create the flange. So to create the flange, we will select this face of the pipe and we will create this sketch. It is a square 200 by 200 millimeters. So let's create this. Select this face here and create a new sketch. And here, select the center red rectangle, click here in the midpoint, 300 by 300 millimeters. And here we have a circle with 40 millimeters of diameter, and the distance between the center here and the midpoint is 100 millimeters by 100 millimeters. So select a circle, make a circle here with 400 millimeters, 40 millimeters, sorry, with diameter. And go to sketch dimension. The distance here, 100 and 100 here. And now we will create this circle for reference. So this circle will be coincident with the center of the circle. And then we will create the other 3 holes here. So active the construction geometry, select the circle, click here in the midpoint and click here in this point. Make the circle coincident with the center of the circle here. And remove the construction geometry, select the circle, make a circle here, coincident with the this construction circle, and go to constraint, select equal. Make the circles equals with the same diameter, and go to horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here, this to center here and here. And now select this circle. We have a hole here with 150 millimeters. It is the pipe, okay? And leave the sketch. We needed to extrude this 40 millimeters, the distance here. So go to pad, the length here 40 millimeters, and press OK. Now we will create the same flange, but in this face here, it has the same dimensions. So select this face and go to create a sketch. And here, go to external projection and take a reference from this circle here. And select the circle, make a circle here with 150 millimeters. And create a square, 300 by 300. And create another circle here with 40 millimeters of diameter. And go to dimension. The distance between this point and this point here is 100 millimeters. And the distance here is 100 millimeters. Now active the construction geometry, select the circle, click here in this point, make a circle here coincident with this one. And let's create the other holes here. And go to constraint, select equal, make the circles with the same diameter. And go to horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here. Select the center of the circle and this one. Select this one and this one. Let me move this a little bit. We made this one. Now leave the sketch and go to pad. The thickness here is 40 millimeters. Press OK. Now in this flange, we needed to create the fillet. We have the fillet in the corners. The fillet has 20 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet. Select this edge here, this edge. The radius here is 20 millimeters and press OK. And now to finish this, we need to create a chamfer here with 5 millimeters, equal distance. So go to chamfer and the size here is 5. And click here in select this arc and select this arc here and press OK. And here we finish your exercise. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.